What does a karyotype show us?
A karyotype is an actual photograph of the chromosomes from one cell. Karyotypes are usually done using blood cells, fetal cells from amniotic fluid or placenta, and occasionally bone marrow cells. Karyotype analysis determines the number of chromosomes in the cells and whether there are any pieces of chromosome material that are missing, extra, or rearranged. Any variation from the normal chromosomes number and arrangement can have implications for a person's fertility and the risk for having a baby with birth defects.
What does the term karyotyping mean?
Karyotyping refers to the chromosomal pattern inside the nucleus of an animal cell, as well as to describe the set of chromosomes in a species or an individual organism. The study of karyotypes in eukaryotic cells is a branch of science named cytogenetics, from cyto meaning cell and genetics meaning the cell's chromosome makeup. Well, karyotyping.
I'm a very trusted scientist. Now we're going to learn about the process of karyotyping.
So, once you've taken the blood from the patient, add the blood to a growth serum that will stimulate mitotic growth. To help me, I have the red blood cells ready to go into the mitotic stimulator. Then the cells are left to grow in the stimulator for 3 days at body temperature. Okay, now that 3 days have passed, colchicine is added to the medium in order to stop cell division at metaphase. The arrested cells are then prepared and transferred into a centrifuge tube. Centrifugation is the process of using centrifugal force to separate mixtures based on differing densities. The centrifugation concentrates the blood cells at the bottom of the tube to separate the chromosomes. Hypotonic salt solution is added to cause them to swell up and move apart. These blood cells are prepped and placed onto a microscope slide for examination. After that, a cell is observed under the microscope and the chromosomes are photographed. The images are arranged so that the centromeres of the homologous chromosomes are aligned, and the result is a karyotype! Now, for a short commercial break. Do you have poor muscle tone? Do you have a small facial profile? Do you have a deep crease across your hand? Do you have white spots on your pupils? These all apply to you. You have Down syndrome.
What?
But don't worry, with the help of Down, for a small payment of 3 cents, you could be down with Down syndrome. Call 1-800-DOWN syndrome today. Side effects may include an intellectual disability, developmental delay, heart disease, and many more. With Down, you get a lifetime Down syndrome. Down has not been verified. It cannot cure Down syndrome because it can't be cured. I'm sorry if you believe this commercial.
On that note, can you tell us more about Down syndrome?
Down syndrome is caused due to an extra chromosome number 21, which is called trisomy. Its symptoms include a distinct facial appearance, intellectual disability, development delays, and can lead to a heart disease.